Located on the east end of Dauphin Island, situated between the fertile waters of Mobile Bay and the Gulf of Mexico, is the current campus of the Dauphin Island Sea Lab, the state of Alabama's marine science institution. These bustling grounds, where curious kindergarten students and busy graduate students alike immerse themselves in marine science, once had a very different purpose. Built during the height of the Cold War in 1959, it was an early radar warning station for the U.S. Air Force. In 1971, the U.S. Air Force declared it military surplus, and its availability caught the attention of a group of scientists and university administrators who wanted to create a single marine science institution that would serve a consortium of colleges and universities. Thus was born the Marine Environmental Sciences Consortium, popularly known as the Dauphin Island Sea Lab. Early faculty, having worked at an old yellow fly-ridden campus at Point-au-Pines, were overjoyed at having the Air Force Base as its new facility. They were still faced with the job of outfitting the slightly decaying buildings to house students, faculty, and laboratories. The main building, for example, housed a 1950s vacuum tube computer. And by housed, we mean the entire building was filled with that single computer. And the only hot water in the building was found in the single bathroom. But determination, hard work, and innovation by early faculty and staff soon had the campus functioning. Early faculty members and staff taught the students, cooked the meals, rigged the equipment, and used any resource possible to keep the Sea Lab afloat. In 1979, disaster struck as Hurricane Frederick blew through Dauphin Island. The Dauphin Island Bridge was destroyed, and the only access was by boat, a 4-hour round-trip ordeal. Generators became the sole source of electricity. For the next 39 months, Sea Lab staff struggled to hold classes and repair the damage. Despite the hurricanes that continued to batter the campus through the decades, the institution steadily grew in both programs and its physical plant. The expansion of programs called for the renovation and construction of buildings, including the South Campus classrooms and the wet lab. On the seas, the Sea Lab's first vessel was an old shrimp boat, the Mickey's Fin, then a steel-hulled research vessel dubbed the R.V. Rouncefeldt, named after the Sea Lab's first director, George Rouncefeldt. One of the longest-serving vessels was the 65-foot steel-hull boat named the R.V. A.E. Verrill, built in 1966. The Sea Lab acquired it in 1986, nurtured it through age and hurricanes, and retired it in 2010. The Sea Lab was finally able to acquire vessels specifically built for the institution, including the 46-foot research vessel R.V.E.O. Wilson in 2005 and the 65-foot R.V. Alabama Discovery in 2010. From the remains of the early warning radar dome rose the estuarium, which evolved from a tiny education center to one of the most popular attractions in South Mobile County. This public aquarium focuses on the local ecosystems of Mobile Bay and the northern Gulf of Mexico, and has proven how eager people are to learn about our unique marine systems. It is with that interest in mind that Auburn University built its oyster hatchery on the South Campus, and the National Marine Fisheries Service supported the Richard C. Shelby Center for Ecosystem-Based Fisheries Management. The Shelby Center and the South Campus classrooms are solar-powered, and the Sea Lab campus is among the largest solar energy producers in the state of Alabama. The Sea Lab will continue to explore alternative energy sources as it expands. The Dauphin Island Sea Lab, which began as a military surplus base, has grown to a nationally recognized marine science institution. Its research scope is now worldwide. Its graduates are renowned scientists. Its students have taken their lessons of wise stewardship and passed them on to students of their own. This is the legacy of the Sea Lab, and it is the responsibility of all who work under its banner.